And here we are. We're going to find out what's going on Spring Break 2022. Here with Jim and Janae. Hey everybody! Today we're going to Clearwater Beach for spring break.
The lot is full.
Yeah, make a left, yeah.
So, I've got to watch the pedestrians too.
Wow, I don't see any college people. Here's a nice exterior view of Shephard's. They got a nice beach here where you can hang out. And look at the dreamy pool here at Shephard's. And look at all these spring breakers checking in. An interesting top. Maybe I could, anyway. All these spring breakers grabbing tacos at the taco bus. Just a perfect day to come to the beach. This is one of the Frenchies on the beach. We're headed more towards the northern part of the beach. Now we're passing Ron John Surf Shop. This district is full of little boutiques, t-shirt shops, and places to grab ice cream and vittles. On the left is the beautiful Clearwater Beach Hilton. And Jimmy Hula's is a popular spot on the beach too. Cross, yeah, they're trying to save pedestrian lives. And one of the most popular beach bars is Frenchy's Rockaway. There are other Frenchies, but this is the one you want to hang out at. Here at Frenchy's Rockaway Grille. Outdoors.
Do they want to be inside right now? Wait for outside? How
Wait.
long for outside? Let's say like 25 minutes. What's the name?
It's about a 25-minute wait today for an outdoor table. I think it'll be worth it. Look at the luscious deck here at Frenchy's. And the best thing about Frenchy's, it's directly on the beach. There's indoor dining here too. Hey everybody, today we made a return trip to Frenchy's Rockaway Grille. We're going to grab some burgers and some fish sandwiches. What do you think, Janae?
What are we thinking, guys?
I'm going to get the Frenchy shrimp burger. Have half of each.
Look at this catch of the day. It's a bizarre looking pretzel here at Frenchy's. So that's a shrimp burger, huh?
Yep. Oh, it looks good. It's like almost like a crab cake.
Smells great.
Yeah.
Let's try a fry. Oh, okay, sure thing. And perhaps the nicest hotel in Clearwater Beach is the Sandpearl. Look at the majestic beachy lobby. Ah, a player piano as we overlook the beautiful beach and pool. And this is a view from the balcony here at the Sandpearl. Awesome. Guys playing chess and tons of people in the swimming pool. And the pool is a fun spot to be.
Where are my goggles? They might be over there on our chairs over there.
Another fun spot is Island Grill. The outdoor tables are better than the indoor ones, but look at the beautiful views they have of Clearwater Beach. Lobby, on an outlet.
How long were you? Is that what you were doing?
The whole time, yeah. I think I fell asleep. What is going on here at the beach? What is that round cylinder? The bungee jump. I don't know what the thrill is.
Right up, what? watching them coming up right now. I'm getting nauseous just looking at it spin, right? There is water in it. I thought there was water. You know, it must be just the...
Well, there's two people in it. Yeah. This is just too weird.
And think of all the germs in there from the first.
They're screaming.
Oh, that is...
Oh, it's like they're surfing.
Yeah, I was gonna say it's probably not.
Oh my God.
Oh yeah, it's when you know I decided to go in.
It's spring break here in Clearwater Beach. Come on to check out the spring break action. So it looks like the police aren't taking any crap here on Clearwater Beach today. Looks like got some no more people in the water ride. Hey, welcome to our spring break video here at Clearwater Beach. We're going to check out how it compares to Miami, Fort Lauderdale, and Panama City Beach for spring break. Let's see if it's really happening or if the cops have this place under control. And now we're looking at Krabby's Bar and Grill, a long-time institution here on the beach. Some outdoor dining directly across from the main stretch of beach. I wonder how much they fleece these people to do these Segway Tours. The host seems kind of into it, though.
So this isn't just a Clearwater Beach kind of thing, and this isn't just imported for the tourists. It's all natural here. You can find this white sand pretty much anywhere on the peninsula.
Really?
What is the name of this place?
Opal Sands Hotel.
I'll be right back. Give me 2 seconds.
And now we're going to stop out at the Sandbar here at the Opal Sands. Now is this happening like a restaurant? And what a great looking view here from the Sandbar. Opal Sands is happening. I love the art blending with modern architecture. Treasure floors, chandeliers, and wide views of the Gulf of Mexico. Jim here. We're checking out the best bars in Clearwater Beach. Right now we're at Shephard. Quite often there's live music. This is the place to go for drinks and food as we see people partying in Wow, the famous Clearwater Beach. And our vote for the best bar in Clearwater Beach is Shephard. Definitely a younger, wilder crowd here. There's food and drinks.
Maybe it's not. I want to see what's got a band.
Yeah, we're gonna hear the music too.
I hope it's not.
They have a cool swim bar too. Now the beach is a little bit smaller, not quite as wavy, but it is almost a very laid-back, fun experience here. There are paddle boards, live music, and drink specials here at Shephard's most days. During spring break, people love to hang out here. Draws like a younger, hipper crowd. do a beach walkthrough. They do have chairs that are available here.
I want to go. I would only go to Vegas in the summer because, or like in June.
The beach isn't quite as sandy here, but it makes up an atmosphere. Hey, Shepherd says it's a small, intimate beach. I love the little breakwaters. Perfect day to go boating here. Almost feels like you're in a remote island here at Shepherd's. We have some decent live music here at Shepherd's. Cops are crawling all over this place, keeping this place in line. So kids,